people keep saying I need to try and find common ground with people like Paul, which I tried to, and that did not go very well. But here's the issue with people like him, and it's not exclusive to him. He's just easy to pick on, and his content goes so viral. There's so much of it out there. But other content creators like him, they will start with a real problem. They'll start with the obesity epidemic, or they'll start with ultra processed food being pushed in our food system when it doesn't need to be, at least not to the extent that it is. And he'll take that, these creators will take that, and they will create some completely random solution that is not a solution at all. It doesn't actually help with the problem. So then people like me come around and say, no, this doesn't actually help with what you're trying to fix. And then suddenly it seems like I'm attacking the idea that they're pushing that, well, so you think ultra processed foods are good for us and you think we don't have a problem? Like, no, we have a problem. But pull-up bars in airports aren't going to fix the obesity problem, because that's not the stem of the obesity problem. Already, these are spaces that not a lot of people are going to. This doesn't fix anything. That's just an example, but I just watched another video from Paul specifically. Again, not to only pick on Paul, but he was talking about how in the 1930s in New York, people were healthy, and now there's a lot of obesity, and it must be the seed oils. Like, it's not the seed oils. And I'm not saying that we don't have problems, double negative, triple negative, whatever. We do have these problems. But I pick on these people because they are not giving actual solutions to the problems. They are just doing what is the trendiest. What people want to hear right now is what they're saying, and it doesn't work. So I do have a lot in common with these people's beliefs, people like Paul, but the solutions are not always what they say they are. And just because they have seemingly good intentions, though I don't believe all of them do, doesn't mean that they're right. So that is why I post criticizing these people a lot. And I do try and find common ground, but a lot of times it'll be like, okay, I agree, and then you lost me. I don't agree. So I do try. I don't always try and be negative, but it's just hard sometimes.